मित्रांनो, आपण सगळ्यांनी अनेक वेळा महाराजांची घोषणा ऐकली असेल, पण आपल्यापैकी किती जणांना त्या प्रत्येक शब्दाचा नेमका अर्थ माहीत आहे? मराठी लोकांना तर बहुतेक तो माहीत नसणारच. म्हणूनच आता मी इंग्लिशमध्ये प्रत्येक शब्दाचा ट्रान्सलेशन आणि अर्थ सांगणार आहे. आशा आहे की हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला नक्की आवडेल. This verse is a powerful invocation and praise dedicated to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, glorifying his attributes, achievements, and royal stature. Below is a line-by-line translation and explanation. Maharaj, meaning, an ode, referring to a king, a reverential call to the king, emphasizing his supreme status. Gadpati, meaning, Lord of Forts. Shivaji Maharaj was known for his strategic fortifications, having built and captured numerous forts that formed the backbone of his empire. Bhupati, meaning, Lord of the land, recognizing his sovereignty over his kingdom and his rule over his praja. Prajapati, meaning, Lord of the people. Shivaji Maharaj was a just ruler who cared deeply for his people, or praja, ensuring their welfare and protection. Suvarna Ratna Shripati, meaning, Lord of gold, gems, and wealth, a symbolic representation of his prosperity, valor, and the wealth of his kingdom. Ashtavdhan Jagrit, meaning, ever alert in 8 directions, refers to his sharp intellect, strategic thinking, and ability to remain vigilant in all matters. Ashtpradhan Veshtit, meaning, surrounded by the Ashta Pradhan, as in council of 8 ministers, Shivaji Maharaj established a well-structured administrative system with 8 key ministers guiding various aspects of governance. Nyayalankar Mandit, meaning, adorned with the jewel of justice. This emphasizes his commitment to justice and fair rule. Shastrarth Shastra Parangat, meaning, master of weaponry and scriptures, highlights his expertise in warfare, strategy, and knowledge of religious and administrative scriptures. Rajniti Dhurandhar, meaning, master of politics. Shivaji Maharaj was a political genius, known for his diplomatic skills and strategic alliances. Praud Pratap Purandar, meaning, majestic warrior of Purandar, refers to his bravery and the famous Battle of Purandar, where he showcased his military prowess. Kshatriya Kulavatans, meaning, crown jewel of the Kshatriya clan, a title signifying his supreme status among the warrior class, called Kshatriyas. Singhasnadhishwar, meaning, the supreme ruler on the throne or Singhasan, signifies his rightful claim to the throne as an independent and sovereign ruler. Maharajadhiraj, means, king of the kings, a title that exalts him as the greatest among all rulers. Raja Shiv Chhatrapati Maharajancha Vijay Aso, means, victory to King Chhatrapati Maharaj, a declaration of triumph, expressing admiration and loyalty to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Overall meaning of entire Ghoshna. This verse is an ode to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, glorifying his bravery, leadership, justice, and wisdom. It portrays him as a visionary ruler, a skilled warrior, a just king, and a protector of his people and kingdom. The concluding line is a victory chant, celebrating his legacy and eternal greatness. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.
महाराज, गणपती, भूपती, प्रजापती, सुवर्णरत्न श्रीपती, अष्टावधान जागृत, अष्टप्रधान वेष्टित,
न्यायालंकार मंडित,
शस्त्रार्थ शास्त्र पारंगत, राजनीती धुरंधर, प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर, क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस, सिंहासनाधीश्वर, महाराजाधिराज, राजा शिवछत्रपती महाराजांचा जय हो! राजा शिवछत्रपती महाराजांचा जय हो! राजा शिवछत्रपती महाराजांचा जय हो! स्वराज्य संवर्धक, स्वधर्म रक्षक, शिवसंस्कार संपन्न, बुधभूषण पारंगत, अखंड धैर्य संपन्न, शौर्यशील, कीर्तिवंत, सिंहासनाधीश्वर, महाराजाधिराज, महाप्रतापी, धर्मवीर श्री छत्रपती संभाजी महाराजांचा जय हो! श्री छत्रपती